Welcome to my channel, and today I will be making some Jamaican oxtail. Just keep in mind the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. So please go ahead and like the video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. So here I'll be starting off with the seasoning. So I'm adding some oil and some soy sauce to the blender. Then I'll be adding some thyme, some Jamaican scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, and allspice to the mix. Now you don't have to blend your seasoning. I just prefer mine this way, so you can just chop them up and just throw them on the oxtail and marinate them as is, but I just prefer mine this way. Also, you can skip the soy sauce and you can just add brown in as well. Use whatever you wish. So once that's done blending, we're going to pour it all over the oxtail. Then I'll be adding some meat seasoning and some black pepper. Now, if you didn't use the soy sauce, you can go ahead and add the salt now. But because I already used soy sauce, I'm just going to skip the salt. Yeah. Now I'm just going to mix that all together, and I'm going to marinate mine overnight. You can marinate yours for a couple hours, an hour, however you wish, but I just prefer mine overnight. The next step is just go ahead and brown the oxtail. So once that's done browning, we're gonna go ahead and transfer it over into a pressure cooker, and we're just gonna allow that to be cook in a pressure cooker for roughly 45 minutes or until the oxtail is tender. And once that's completed, we're gonna go ahead and add your vegetables. So I'm adding some bell pepper, some Jamaican scallion, and some onions. You can add whatever vegetables you like as well. This is what I prefer. And you can go, and at this point you go ahead and add the lima beans to it as well. I'm just gonna allow this to cook for around 30 minutes or until the gravy thickens. So yeah, right now my gravy is nice and thick, ready to serve. Meat is tender. Yeah, so you can go ahead and serve this with some rice. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Take care.